Must we think of this one? Determine the missing coordinates of the points of the graph of the function. It gives you all the answers right here. It's on the graph. You plug the x into this x. What is arc sine? I know, it just changes. Changes, right? No, I won't do it anymore. Okay, I'll keep going. Sorry about that. I think that was a fly.
Oh my god.
Have you seen Split?
I'm plugging in -1. If you guys are trying to find this answer, you guys need to think about quadrants 1 and quadrants 2. Yeah, that's right. Okay, -1. Cosine is an x. This is an x value on our circle. You guys know what I mean when I mean circle, right? A good friend, the unit circle. So, isn't this the point right here where the x equals -1? So what is the value?
Pi.
It is pi. My answer is pi.
Oh!
It says it right here.
It's right there!
You guys are thinking too stupid. Okay. Now, we have a -1/2. 1/2. -1/2. Negative. Which quadrant would we be in if the x value was negative? It would be in quadrant 2. What the heck is the angle
2 pi over
when x is -1/2? Right here. -1/2.
What? 2 pi over 3.
What?
I have a question.
You are interrupting me. What's your question?
Will you stop?
You want me to stop talking like my normal voice?
Hey, I got you.
What is the angle here?
2 pi over 3.
Don't you dare give me degrees. I'll throw my stylus at you.
2 pi over 3.
2 pi over 3. Right here.
I've been saying this entire time. It's like...
And then finally we have the answer to our cosine. There's the answer. Pi over 6. Well, let's look at pi over 6. Right here. That's pi over 6, right? What's the x value right there? Don't say 1. I'll throw this at you.
What?
Right? 3 over 2. 1 is right here. Right? 3 over 2 is right here.